Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is a group challenge video hosted by Sonia from Domestic Diva 76 channel, and it is all about cleaning, decluttering and organizing. And that is actually what I love to do. My channel is mostly about that, as you know, and as soon as I heard of this challenge, I was so excited and I knew I was gonna participate. If you're not familiar with Sonia's channel, you should definitely go and check it out. I'm part of her channel for quite a while now, and I love her content. She does a lot of DIYs, cute DIYs, everything from cleaning, organizing, cooking, meal prep. She also loves to travel. Her family and her loves to travel to Disney World and on cruises. So she usually makes her videos about her trips. So a lot of good things on her channel, so go ahead and check her out. She also has a blog that you can check it out as well. I'm gonna have her channel in the description box down below, as well as the playlist along with everybody that participated in this challenge. So this challenge is called 12 Weeks of Fall Cleaning Challenge. The way this challenge worked was every week Sonia had a spreadsheet with things that she decided she's gonna clean. So that kind of was an outline for us what we should clean. We don't have to strictly stick to that, but at least we know where to go. So for me, I decided I needed to clean two big things out of that list, and there was one thing that I needed to do for quite a while. I actually started a long time ago and I finished it yesterday. So I'm gonna bring you along, and I really hope you will enjoy and get huge motivation from me and other participants. So let's get started.
The first on my list is my front porch, and after taking out all the dead plants and summer plants, we purchased two huge palm trees, and that is what I'm replanting right now. My husband also planted the day before, but I didn't film, two other green plants, and you're gonna see them later on my front porch. Next, I'm taking off all the cushion covers and pillowcases, and I'm gonna wash those. And now I am moving everything to the side so I can sweep my windows for spider webs, and also to sweep the floors. You see my little helper is over here helping me. And next, using a wet cloth, we are wiping the dust off of our patio furniture. And now I am washing my windows. First, I'm using the warm water and a dish soap. And after that, I will go over with my cedar window cloth. Our windows gets pretty dusty because this neighborhood is still under construction, so there's always dust everywhere. You can see the dust over here on the swing because it's dark color, so I have to wipe it off pretty often. Same thing with our front door. It really gets dusty in those nooks and crannies. And over here I am just cutting off some dead leaves and yellow leaves off of my plants. Next, I needed to sew the cushion cover for that one patio chair. I mentioned in the last video that we actually got them on a pretty good deal because one cushion was missing. Next thing on my list was my mudroom. It really is not in a bad condition. We kept it pretty good, but I needed to go through all these boxes and all the shoes to see what my kids outgrew and what is it that we want to get rid of. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using Method all-purpose antibacterial cleaner in a citrus scent. I purchased this a couple of days ago at Target. I did not know that they came up with antibacterial spray, and I'm very happy about it because the fall is coming and the flu season is coming. So I wanted something to disinfect my house with.
Kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7.
You see over here, I am using my mini vacuum cleaner. I really like it. This is a small space and the huge vacuum cleaner would probably be hard to use, and I really like it. I actually mentioned a couple of weeks ago in my video, and I'm going to link it in the description box down below if you want to check it out. And that completes my mudroom cleaning and decluttering. Next thing I'm going to be cleaning is something totally different. A couple of weeks ago, my husband went to help his boss move, and his boss gave him this deep freezer, mini deep freezer. They didn't use it for some time, and as you can see, it looks dirty and kind of moldy over here. So for me, that was kind of a challenge to see if I can clean this really good. So that's what I did. From the inside, it really didn't look that bad, aside of crumbs and just a little, it was a little messy. But my worry was this over here. I wasn't sure if I'm going to be able to clean it, and I know we can always replace it. You can buy a replacement, but I wanted to see if I can really clean that. So first thing, from the inside, I just vacuumed it, and I used the mixture of hydrogen peroxide and cleaning vinegar to clean everything. And if there was any little harder stains, I used a Barkeeper's Friend or Ajax. Everything cleaned up pretty easily. I really didn't have any issues. I didn't have to scrub anything from the inside a lot. Now when it came to outside, I did have to scrub a little more the sides, but I just used a brush, and that was it. It came off easy. So what I did with that moldy part, I actually sprayed with my solution and I left it for some time. Then I came back, scrubbed it, and repeated a couple of times. It was coming off pretty good, but I wanted to clean it even better. So I made a paste out of Ajax and that hydrogen peroxide and cleaning vinegar spray, and I applied it on it and then cleaned it, and repeat that a couple of times as well, and that actually did wonders. It cleaned up everything very nicely. So as you can see, everything looks pretty good. I cleaned it later with warm water and dish soap to make sure everything is even more clean, and it looks like new.
I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you got a huge motivation for cleaning and organizing any space in your home that need to be cleaned and organized. Don't forget to check out Domestic Diva's 76 channel and her video, as well as the playlist in the description box down below with all the other participants, and see what they cleaned. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It helps me a lot. It helps my channel. And subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you, and enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you next Monday with a new challenge video. Bye guys.